Day 37. Animals. I'm a real animals lover. I'm fascinated by the whole animals kingdom. I loved animals when I was a kid. I used to read every book I could find on animals. I knew all the different animals species. The most exciting thing for me was going to the zoo. I would spend hours that watching the animals walk around, sit, or even sleep. When I was older, I went on a safari to Tanzania. I saw real wild animals in the wild. Everyone should do this once in their lives. Looking at animals in their natural habitat is a real honor. Now I'm worried about the futures of many animals. Some of my favorite animals are in danger of dying out. We really need to change our lifestyle so our children can have the chance of seeing animals in the wild.